Welcome back, everybody. It's been a long time since I've seen you. Have you ever replaced a window screen or the screen in your window? It's not that hard. And when I go to my local hardware store, the guy that's repairing the screens in there seems like he never can get caught up. So I bought a kit to repair screens. I've got several screens to replace in my garage, and I'm gonna show you how to do it now. So what I bought was this little kit. It's got the screen tool, the spline, and the screen. 25 feet, 36 inches wide. I've got it laid out on my garage floor here. Okay, so I got my screen here. As you can see, it is seeing a better time. Got a screwdriver. And I'm just gonna start getting this old spline and screen out of the track here. Okay, so once you got your track clean, you should look something like that. It's clean everywhere. And then lay your screen down over top of it. Try to get it as straight as you can. And then on your tool, you've got this edge, and you got an edge that looks like that. This edge you take first, the rounded edge, and push your screen down in that slot. And once that happens, now that it really matters where you start. At least I don't think it does. Maybe it does. Maybe you should start in the corner, but I don't. And then just roll this spline into place. When you get to a corner, you might have to take a screwdriver and push it down like that. When you get to the end, pull it back just a little bit, cut it off gently. And you take your tool and tuck that one back in. Now you can take your knife and just start in a corner. And there you go, ready to reinstall. Let's go put it up, see how it fits. So these were installed with this part out. I don't like that because the weather can get to them. So just put it back up in there, pop it into place. There it is. Screen Repair 101. That's how I do it.